Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the defensive game because people are always trying to hit the ball hard. In this modern tennis, people are hitting always aggressive power tennis. It's okay, but without defense, in every sport there is the defense. In the basketball, the defense, how to defend is a specialist. Somebody in the soccer, they are the 3 or 4 defense player for the defending the goal post. So defense is in every sport, defense is an important part, but people are neglecting for that. We are going to do today the defensive drill, how we can develop our defensive drill in tennis. Defense is the very important. I'm again repeating that thing, okay? So let's do. So defense is the first time I want to say that how we defense. So in defense, people say that slice is a defense. Yeah, it is okay because in the slice shot, you can do the low ball also. You can do the nice slice and keep the ball. Far ball also you can get the slice and you can keep the ball on court. And then you can give the lob also. You need to the slice. And the thing is, with the slice, I can keep the ball anywhere. Can you check now? So now you can see that how I am doing where I want with the slice. So if I want down the line, I can go down the line, close to the net here. This one with the top spin, I can't keep here to close. And same thing from here, I can give the ball to that corner. So now you can see that it is totally different. It's so easy. From any part of the court, I can keep the ball slice. This is that. So defense. So let's see how we are going to do that. I'm going to give the drill to improve the defensive shot in tennis. So let's start. Having the 3 students, they are big students, good players. 3 players. One is the Sisadu, okay? He's a adult player. He's a very good player. I saw you his serve, okay? And he's playing in the club level, inter club, and he's the one of the best player in this SSTC because in the adult, okay? This is very consistent. So this is the another quality. So today we are going to talk about the defensive, but he's very consistent, and because means if you are consistent means you have to do the defensive shot also. So he's the master for that. This is the Prince, okay? Paka Exo. This is the Raj, the new level 3, yeah? Level 3, ITM level 3. So let's see how they are doing. Okay. Today we are going to do the both side. This is the for warm up, okay? So we are going to do slice for the forehand and backhand. Is a far ball. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing. They did good, okay? They are trying, okay? Because nobody practicing the defensive, okay? So, but now we are going to do the same thing, but they are going to give the lob. So they are trying to lob me over me, okay? So I'm little bit more in front. Means I'm in the service box, and now they are trying to give the lob over me, okay? System. Go, lob it. Little more. One hand is better. The lob here is only here. No. You buy it. এখানে বাচ্চা কোনটা ঠিক হচ্ছে Good one, nice top spin lob. Now we can see this is the slice lob. Next one, if they can do the top spin one, okay? So in the top spin lob, if you are going there, this, okay? The forehand stroke over the left shoulder. Lob is the same shoulder is coming, right shoulder, okay? Can you try? Good one, go. Okay, this one. Good. This. Okay, a little more higher. Come on. This. Hey. This. Okay. This. This. Good one. Okay. So now we are going to do the third drill. First one we did the slice return for defensive. Then second one we did the slice lob and then top spin lob also. Now if I'm player, I'm hitting the ball that I know that my opponent is in struggling and ball is very far from opponent, so I am going to move. If I move, my opponent can return the ball short cross court here. Okay? Otherwise from that side they can hit short cross court. So for me it's very difficult to get. Okay? So let's see how they are doing. अरे फोर बोलना ठीक है चल 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 दो हाँ तो गुड वन come on nice one go oh nice one go back return and back again yeah recover the court yeah this is the short swing short back swing short cross court yeah come on short cross court good one go go. Hey, come on. 1, 2, go. Good one. This one. Nice. Go. Okay. This do. Hey, go. That's nice one. Great. So this is the way, okay? So now you can see they are running and doing the short cross court is amazing, okay? So this is the best one. They did the last, okay? First time they are struggling, but after that. So you need to do it's not one day job, you know. You need to practice for that. So this practice also about weekly, once or maybe 2-3 times in the month also you can do it, okay? So that one is going to help. It's not one day job, sir. When they will do, they will realize their muscle memory will grow, okay? The fourth one is the loopy ball. Means you just go the ball and give the ball high ball. But in here, I'm going to say the loopy ball, but they are going to hit down the line, okay? Because when they will hit the down the line, a little high loopy ball, for me it's very difficult to get. But if it's a low ball, I can reach. But if the high loopy ball here, down the line, is very difficult to get, okay? Let's see how they are doing. Ready? 2 balls each. 1, 2, just look. Little more high. Low hai galo na. Look, good. Come on. This is loopy. Good one. This one is bigger. Is that? Come on, little more. Aggressive. Little more. More spin now, Luki. এখানে তো বাবা আছে দিয়ে দিল ম্যাচে শিখিয়ে দেবে এই লুকি হলো কি দ্যাটস গুড ওয়ান লুকিটা দেখা না বাইরে গেলে আমার কোনো অসুবিধা নেই গো আরে লুকি বলবা now we are going to give the fifth one. Sometimes they can run it, they can hit the ball hard. You can see that so many players are, the pros are doing. They are struggling, but they will hit the ball very hard, return, okay? So sometimes the opponent will be surprised. So let's see how they are doing. Boom, okay? It's a bad ball because they know that if they will give the lob also, maybe it's very tough. Maybe opponent can return and they are out of the court. From there, they can hit the ball very hard, okay? Ready? Go, boom. Go. Boom. This. Go. This. This. Good one. This. This. Nice one. This. Go. Faster. More harder. This. 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 Go. This. Go. So now you understand, okay? So this is the defensive shot. So we can practice this one. So I gave you the 5 drills about that. So you can do this drill. Sometime, okay, few times if you do, they will understand that in the sometime they can do the how they can defend the ball, okay. So that is the one small video for the how to defend. So defensive video because a few people are commenting me that we need the defense, how to do the defense. So I just made one video for that. So I hope it is going to help you, and thank you very much, and please keep watching our channel and subscribe. Bye bye.